Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can recover Google account without email and phone number. First, you need to click the search bar and type in support.google.com. When you click enter, you'll be transferred to this site. Now you need to click Google account. Now scroll down to need more help section. Click on post to the help community. Now in this window, you need to find post a question section. This option will allow you to post a question to the help community. After this window pops up, you need to write the question. First, write a short summary of the problem you got, and then you need to write an explanation to it. Now choose a category which needs to be account access and recovery based on the problem you have. Click on Next and select About your Google account. Click on Next again. Now click on Next step. Now in this section you need to classify which platform you're using. In this section you can change your display name, which is optional. Now just go ahead and post the question. Now this is not gonna post because my explanation is not enough. Hope this helps. See ya.